And you guys see here that we're printing some money. Okay, we're printing a little bit of money. We're not the Federal Reserve. Right here, if I was trading this right here, would have been a nice trade. You bet that the stock will go down, and indeed it went down based off of all these indicators. You can see what's going on. Look at the MACD here. It's crossed over. And then the RSI also is pointing downwards. So this is good. My name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek on my trading setup. I'm going to share with you how my trading setup is, how I use it. What I'm going to try to do as well is I'm going to link in the description below an update to this trading setup. I've done a video before in the past on how to get my exact trading setup if you want to get it. I'm going to do an updated version of that. I'll link all the videos that you need below. There's some videos that I've made on that I showed you how to load up my trading setup if you're interested in using it. And I think it's a pretty good trading setup. Time to watch the video, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. So this is the setup. This is the setup here. Okay. So this is my main setup. Let me switch to it. Let me bring you guys along on the journey. Okay. So I have multiple things going on here. So I have this one here. This is my main one that I look at, and this is the Webull trading platform on the computer. Okay. So this is the main one that I look at. This one is pretty good. On a day-to-day, I use this. It's easier to just go in and out and be able to look at different time frame without having a lot of real estate on your computer. So that is nice. You're able to see exactly what's going on. Right here, if I was trading this right here, would have been a nice trade. You bet that the stock will go down, and indeed it went down based off of all these indicators. You can see what's going on. Look at the MACD here. It's crossed over, and then the RSI also is pointing downwards. So this is good. This is really good. You're able to toggle around among the time period. I usually don't trade on 1 or 2 minutes. My lowest minutes is 3 minutes because I'm trying to avoid all the noise in the market. So my lowest trade is 3 minutes, and I'm able to see what is going on all throughout the day. And when I swing trade, I usually like to use the 30 minutes because the 30 minutes again give you a nice picture of what's going on in the market. Look at Tesla today, just dipped pretty nicely. Watch the video that I did on buying the dip. I bought some today. I bought some Tesla trade today. So watch the video that I did on buying the dip. So this is on a 30 minute trend. You can see that we have a nice bullish downtrend here. So again, if I look at the 3 minutes, it shows me this is the trajectory of what's going on for today. Look at the MACD crossover here, clearly indicated around this area, clearly indicated that we're looking at a downtrend, and the follow through came through on the trade. This is what my swing trading, main swing trading setup looked like. Okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to start from the middle of the screen here. As you guys see here, we have $118 right in there. That is what I made today. So I use the combination of this right here, which I just showed you, Webull, and that usually stays smack right in the middle of the screen. Where my face is right now, that's where Webull stays, in the middle of my screen. And then mind you, what my computer setup is the 49-inch Samsung Odyssey. I'm gonna put a video of it right on top of this video. This monitor is quite amazing. Okay, it's a great monitor for people like me. If you're interested in stuff like this, I would recommend this monitor. I use it with my Mac. I did a video on this. I'm gonna leave it in the cards. It's my investing $3,000 video, so you can watch that video to see the full setup. But yeah, to see what my full setup is looking like. But this is basically my trading setup here. So to the far left, if you look at the far left here, this is Space. Okay, I like Space. I think Space is a good stock to trade. The what's it called is very tight. You don't really have a lot of spreads. I hate trading stocks that has a lot of spreads, because on a small account you can't really make much money on a stock that has a lot of spreads. Now this right here, this Space is 12 minutes. Okay, this is 12 minutes, as you guys see right on top here. This is 12 minutes. All right, so each candle is 12 minutes, and you can see this, my indicator here. This is the histogram crossover, and I did lots of videos on this. I'm gonna leave it in the cards. The closest video that you can check out is gonna pop up. You can watch it, breaking down every single one of this tool on TD Ameritrade. I think it's pretty good. Okay, anyway, so you guys can see right here, it indicated here to put in a trade. If you look at this, you put in the trade here. If you're patient with it, you're able to get out of the trade around this area, probably around here. You're able to get out of the trade around here, and you make some pretty good, decent amount of money. And then on the top right here, this is my Tesla. Okay, this is how I watch Tesla to swing trade Tesla. Look at this here. Look at this right here. Isn't this such a beautiful thing? If you're able to trade this upwards, this is quite amazing. I'm watching Tesla for the downtrend. What is happening today? I'm keeping my eye on it. On Tesla, I bought a little bit for the long term, but I'm watching it for the downtrend and see what's gonna happen. And then I'll now use my TD Ameritrade here to keep an eye on the trade for the long term. Okay, so this chart right here, let me show you guys. This is 6 months, 1 day. So it gives me data going back for 6 months. Okay. It gives me data going back for 6 months. This is 6 months of what Tesla has been doing. And then each candle, every single candle, it's 1 day, 1 whole day. So that way I'm able to see, okay, 6 months, in the past couple of months, it has gone up here a lot, and this trend might go down. So you can take a trade here and quickly get out. But like with Tesla, I usually like to trade the upside, not the downside. That when it start going down, I start buying it on my M1 Finance portfolio. But here, you guys can see we have a downtrend. So if you also look here, this is another nice example of this chart. It's quite nice. It really is quite amazing. This setup here. So right here, you guys can see this is a nice trade. Okay, I've been trading this on Apple, and it's been going well. So this is a nice trade here, and this setup just shows you everything. Look at this. If you're able to get this, you look at the TT squeeze at the bottom here, right? The TT squeeze and the RSI, everything is pointing in the right direction, and the follow through, the trade went exactly that way. So if you also look at the top, the bottom left here, this is AMC at the bottom left, AMC, and AMC is also giving us a nice strong signal to the downside. All right, let me show you guys if I can get it to stay. If I can get it to stay. So AMC here, if you take a look at AMC, you guys see that, same thing. It's giving us a nice downward trend, and I'm taking advantage of it, and that is what I've been doing. Let me show you guys. Let me show you my Robinhood. I did a video earlier on. I'm gonna leave the video in the cards for you to check out, where I update you guys on what's going on with my Robinhood account. But if we look here, okay, if we look here, those trades are actually, they've been working really well, because when I look at this, my chart here, when I look at the charts, you guys see where the indicator is, right? The histogram crossover basically showed me that, look, listen, GME is most likely going to go down at some point, okay? So quickly jump on the trade. So what I did was to do exactly that. And you guys see here that we're printing some money. Okay, we're printing a little bit of money. We're not the Federal Reserve. Printing a little bit of money. That trade is up $245 now. So yeah, these charts, they really work, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I'm gonna be doing more videos on it. You guys can see countless is right here on the mouse. This is SPY. See right there, SPY. If you took that trade there, this is nice. Right here, this is Roku. This is nice. Mind you, look at this as well. Riot. This is Riot. It goes with where Bitcoin goes. This is nice. So if I have a few of this set up here, I think I have like 10 or 15 stocks that I keep a close eye on like this. And yeah, it works for me. It helps me with my trading account. Helps me make it helps me make a little bit of money, and I'm so excited to share in this journey with you guys. So I hope you like my chart and my trading setup. I'm gonna do my best to share all this link with you guys in the description, and also put the videos, the videos that you need in order for you to have this exact setup. In order for you to have this exact setup, I'm gonna put that video. I did a video on it previously. I'm gonna put that in the description, and in the description of this video, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step kind of guide to how you can get to have this chart on your setup, okay? And how, if you're able to study it and watch the movement and everything, you're able to take some few trades here and there, and boom, So yeah, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to share my trading setup with you guys. Hopefully you like this trading setup. If you like what I do here, again, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm a relatively new YouTuber. I have a different way of looking at stocks, investing, and everything. I'm not the person that will tell you that do not trade, because there's room for trading. There's room for trading in your portfolio. There's room for dividend in your portfolio. There's room for whale strategy in your portfolio. There's room for swing trading in your portfolio. It's more about the percentage of your overall portfolio that you're using for different things. I have well over like 60 grand in my long-term investment, and I trade swing trade and do the wheel strategy with roughly about 6,000, and I day trade with roughly about 5,000. Now, day trading is absolutely risky. Okay, this setup right here, this entire setup, this whole thing right here is absolutely risky. This is the most riskiest thing you can do with your money. But again, this is if you understand and you study how the whole thing works. Is also the nicest way to make some money in the markets. Okay, I don't put a lot of money at risk. Like this one now, I placed a trade. It was I spent $305, and so far that $305 is now worth $533, based off of the fact that I'm able to use like charts like this to evaluate the markets. This is my main chart, and then I use this one as the second one. Okay, let me pull up GME for you guys here. See, okay, let's pull up GME. So this is the second one that I use more closely. Okay, I'm able to watch it and see where it's going, and I'm able to take trades based off of that as well. So you know, stay tuned with me on this channel. I have a lot to offer you guys when it comes to information, you know, uncut, raw information. You know, this is the way forward when I think, you know, when I think about the next thing to elevate people on the financial community on YouTube. I feel like this is the next thing, you know. So anyways, subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. I appreciate you for that. I will leave all the information that you need to get this chart, like I said earlier, to get this trading setup, to get this whole chart. I'll leave that information below for you. I'm going to also link all the videos that you need. I'll leave a step-by-step guide. So everything will be in the description for you if you're interested in having this setup, and just study it. I wouldn't say get it and just jump into it right away and start trading it. Study it. Set up a paper trading account, you know, so you trade with it with fake money, and you know, you see how it is, you study it. You know, comment down below. We can go back and forth. I'll share with you what I'm doing. If enough people want to learn exactly how I got started, I'm gonna do videos on it, and I've done a lot of videos. I can point you in the right direction, which videos to watch. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more great information like this. So until next time, see you later. Love you all. Bye.